Okay, so this is just a quick video showing off the vector extract technique inside of Maya. What this technique allows us to do is it lets us take any of these orientation axes for an object and it lets us extract them and use them elsewhere in the node network. So in this example, I'm taking the x-axis of this object and I'm plugging it into the pull vector of this IK handle. So whichever way I point the x-axis, that's the vector that's getting used by the IK handle as the pull vector. The way that this works is with a vector product node. So I have it set to vector matrix product, so we're multiplying a vector and a matrix. The vector that we're using is 1, 0, 0, so it's the x-axis vector for this object. And the matrix that we're using is the world matrix of that object. It doesn't really matter in this case because this object is located in world space, but if it were in a hierarchy, then we'd need to use the world matrix in order for this to work. I'm going to make a follow-up video explaining the math behind this multiplication process and what a matrix actually looks like inside of Maya, but suffice to say that the matrix product node, when you multiply a vector and a matrix, basically extracts this vector inside of the world, inside of the space that is represented by this matrix. In this case, the world matrix of this object.